Hi AC/DC friends, it's Miss Debbie, and today I wanted to talk to you about weather. Weather is all around us all the time. We have sun, we have rain, we have snow, we have cloudy days, and we have windy days. And today I wanted to talk to you about wind. Wind is just moving air. We can have strong winds that are blustery and blow things very quickly. We can have soothing, gentle breezes that's slow-moving wind. Wind can be very exciting. It can rustle leaves, it can make a flag flutter, it can make a pinwheel spin or a windmill spin, and a kite fly. We can do so much with wind. So I thought we would do an art project using the wind from our bodies, from our lungs. And you just need a few items to do this art project. Paper, and I suggest a tray to help keep the paint contained. Liquid watercolors, if you have them. I do not, so you could use gel food coloring watered down. You can use tempera paint watered down. And if you have a paint watercolor palette, you can make those very wet and use that. You need eyedroppers, and you need straws, and a permanent marker. So I did these two. This one I did with watered down tempera paint, and this one I did with the gel food coloring watered down. Take your your marker, use a permanent marker, because when you put the liquid watercolor on it, you don't want it to run. And you're going to swirl around, just like the wind, blowing the leaves or the branches on a tree. There's my swirls of wind. And now you're going to take your eyedropper and you're going to squeeze the top with your pinching fingers and put it in the paint and let it go, and up it goes into the dropper, just like that. And then you're going to take the paint and gently squeeze the black top. 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops, 4 drops. And now take your straw and you're going to blow the drops of paint, just like the wind blows the leaves. And then I'm going to try with the food coloring. Again, you're going to squish the top of your dropper with your pinching fingers, put it into your color, and let it go, and it gets sucked right up into the dropper. And count with me. We'll count 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4 gentle squeezes. And take your straw. Now, if you don't have an eyedropper, you can use a paintbrush and watered down. This is watered down food color, and make sure your paintbrush is very wet and drippy. And you can put a drop of paint on your paper, just like that. Make sure it's a little puddle of color. And again, you're going to take your straw, and now you can do gentle puffs, or you can do big, long puffs, and see what happens with the color. You can turn your paper and blow this way. Big, long puffs. See if the colors will mix together. And there you have your wind painting with watercolors. Have fun.